Hello everyone. Today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional remote using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working ignition key to add any additional remotes. This kit is compatible with 2007 to 2018 Toyota Tundra and other vehicles. I will cover what cars do and don't at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket remote, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed remote, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option to save money. This tool will work on any aftermarket remotes or the original remotes. Today, we'll program the aftermarket remote with the kit. Once you use this programmer tool, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it as many times as you want in your vehicle, but you cannot use it in any other vehicle for safety reasons. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. Once you connect it, make sure to have all remotes on hand when programming the new remote, as both programmed and unprogrammed remotes need to be programmed to the vehicle in the next step. Press Enter. You've got a 2-minute window to add all the remotes before the programmer exits the programming mode. Press Enter. Please insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Do not start the car. Press Enter. Next, you will need to press lock and unlock buttons together for 7 seconds. Then release and press lock once. You will hear beeping tone indication the remote is registered. If you have any additional remote to program or to reprogram, please repeat holding the buttons for 7 seconds step. Then press the lock once. For each remote you want to add, you need to wait about a minute for the bar on the screen to complete in order for the programming to be successful. Once you hear this tone, this means it is all done. So next, unplug the tool and let's test the remote. Here, we can see it's working, and it's all good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.